Today we will see how to use PostGrid ready templates with the PostGrid plugin along with Elementor. Install these two plugins first. Go to the pages and add new. This is our add title box. I am providing my title here. PostGrid ready templates Elementor. And now click on publish, edit with Elementor. This is our interface. Click on its pre-made layouts. Here we are seeing starter layouts of total 15 free and pro layouts. There are several niches named art culture, blog, business, etc. Choose and import any pre-made layout from here. Get an instant ready-made pre-organized layout with 13 layouts variation. You can change layout section by section. Click on settings. Customize field selection settings, post title, thumbnail if you need. For example, image height. Next, style. In the pre-made layout, you don't need actually more customization, but if you want, customize color title and title background. For further customization, resize image height. Here, you can increase or decrease your image height. Next, style. In the pre-made layout, you don't need actually more customization, but if you want, you can customize title color. I am here choosing and copying the color according to my theme, and then go to the style for post title, to the title color, and here I will paste my copied color, and then it will look like exactly same as my theme. Then for further customization, to the background type and background color. While I am showing you all the settings of title color, background type, etc., my page's outlook is slightly changing with all of this customization. For more customization, you can style or decorate your background color from color picker. It is changing the color while I am jumping one color from another color. Not only layout 1, you can also try for layout 2, layout 3, or 4, 5, 6, or even more. When you are done with your customization, click on Update to save your customized as well as imported ready templates. Click View Page to see your final output. PostGrid pre-made templates helps you to save your time and your energy. Thank you for watching.